What's up YouTube, it's Darius back with another video, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how I got approved for my first business credit card. Let's get into it. And guys, if you haven't already, I need you guys to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I think you guys are showing all your love and support as always. We're getting so close to 400 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I thank you guys for all your love and support. I just need 3 more subscribers to subscribe to this channel. So if you're watching this video and you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 400. And yeah, guys, today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get your first business credit card. Now, the reason that I'm doing a video on this now is because I consider YouTube and me being a real estate agent as a business. So now I actually reached out and got my first business credit card. And I'm just going to educate you guys, let you know a few things about business credit and why you need to start building it if you haven't already. Now, guys, I already know what you're thinking. Oh my God, business credit. Man, if you want to get a business credit card, you must have like this business that's generating $100,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $20,000 a month to even attain business credit. Guys, that is the furthest thing from the truth. You do not even need revenue to really get a business credit card. I'm telling you firsthand, I only made $100 from YouTube, and I've been doing it for 6 months. And for my real estate agent business, I've only been a real estate agent for about 3-4 months now, and I finally got my first listing. So I didn't even get paid yet, but I'm still able to get a business credit line for $9,000. All right, so you can get a business credit card to start up your business without even having a business up and going yet. So I'm gonna break this down for you guys and tell you guys what you guys need to do. So business credit and personal credit is very similar. They work kind of like the same, but business credit has their own advantages that nobody really even pays attention to. So with personal credit, you can only get approved for so much credit on a credit line. So I got in credit cards with $2,000 limits, $5,000 limits, $8,000 limits, $10,000 limits. I haven't got a credit card that was no more than $10,000. But with business credit, you tend to get higher lines of credit. I'm talking $10,000 limits, $15,000 limits, $20,000 limits, $30,000 credit card limits. Why is that? Because when you're starting up a business, you have high overhead costs. There's a lot of expenses you have in a business. Now, guys, I do want to disclose this because I respect credit 100% and I respect banks. They're the only people in this world that will lend me money, all right? Try going to your mom and dad, try going to a couple of friends and try getting $1,000 out of them, $2,000, $5,000 out of them, all right? And tell them what you're gonna use it for, right? So you gotta respect the banks. I hate when people do not pay back their credit just because you're starting your own business, right? And you're racking up money and you know the liability of that credit is not on you and it's on your business, doesn't mean you can go and start spending money and just racking it all up and say, oh, if my business fails, who cares? That's on the business. No, guys, you have a business credit score as well. You can't see it on your end, but other banks can see it on their end. How your business is doing when it comes to credit card spending. If they see that you're a very risky borrower and they see that you rack up a ton of debt and you don't pay it back off and you miss payments and stuff like that, that's gonna ruin your business credit score. So when you go to apply for more credit for your business, banks start rejecting you. They start saying, no, we're not gonna lend you no more money because we see what you've been doing. And another great thing I love actually about business credit is that your business credit does not affect your personal credit score, which, guys, this is so good because when I was running, doing my wholesaling real estate, I was using my own personal credit card. So that was always stressful. It was something I always had to deal with when running my wholesaling business, and I rack up $500, $1,000 on the credit cards, $2,000, maybe $3,000. And I would see my credit start to tank because I'm going over my credit utilization rate. So when you're using a business credit card, instead, it does not affect your credit score, your personal credit score. Because why? Your business becomes its own separate thing. So once you start getting approved for business credit cards and you're getting $10,000 here, you're getting $20,000 here, you're getting $30,000 from this bank, or maybe $50,000 from this other bank, right? Once you start acquiring all this business credit, this gives you some opportunity. Now you can actually start up your business or take advantage of some real estate investment opportunities. Let's say if you've seen a flip and the money seems right, all the numbers work, and it's at the right price, and you think you can make that flip with just your business credit. Hey, it's a very risky move, but if your numbers make sense, you know your repair costs, you have great contractors that you can trust, hey, you can take the chance and take advantage of that flip, right? So these are the opportunities that business credit can give you. So the easiest way to get approved for your first business credit card is to use your own personal credit. This is the easiest way. Now you can go throughout some other routes. You could open an LLC, then try to get a business credit card from Home Depot and stuff like that. But the easiest way is to just use your own personal credit score. And by doing that, you're basically using your own social security number. And when a bank is looking to approve you for a business credit card, they're gonna go through your social security and look at your personal credit score. Once you see a personal credit score, they calculate a rate, then they give you a business credit card. What's up, YouTube? I'm actually in the middle of editing this video right now, and I forgot to mention something extremely crucial. So like I said a few seconds ago, yes, use your social security number so they can pull your personal credit. So you're gonna use the social security number on your business credit card application, but also your income is extremely important. So they're gonna be asking about your income. You can use your personal income on this application combined with the income that your business brought in. So for me, my business didn't bring in any revenue. Well, $100 if you count that as any revenue. But I made over $40,000 from my 9-to-5 job. So I can add the $40,000 plus the $100 onto my business credit card application. No, that's not illegal. No, that's not fraud. You are a sole proprietor. So you and your business is one. Now, once you get your first business credit card, a whole new separate account opens. And this is for your business credit. You can't see it, but they can see it on their end that you open a business credit card, and they can see how you use it. If you use it responsibly, or if you're a riskier borrower, if you skip payments or not, or if you make your payments on time, they can see all of that on their end. So once you start building up a good track record, 6 months later, a year later, when you apply for your next credit card, you just got approved for another $10,000 or $15,000 or $20,000. All right, then before you know it, you have $100,000 of business credit that you can leverage. Now, when you're filling out the form on applying for your credit card, make sure, again, you put in your social security number. And when it comes to your business name, just put your normal name. Just put your phone name. For me, Darius Welch. And your business, you want to put as a sole proprietor. So a sole proprietor is basically the business is under your own personal name, and anything that business brings in, it's counted as personal income for yourself. All right, you don't have to open a LLC right off the bat. You can if you want to, but a LLC, for people out there that don't know, a LLC is a limited liability company. And once you start bringing in revenue, I would highly recommend for you to get a LLC registered. And what this will do, it would separate yourself from your business. So right now, as a sole proprietor, you and your business is, together, right? So if you get a lawsuit from somebody, let's say you had a car rental business, right? And something happened to the car, they got injured, now they want to sue you, right? Now they're suing your business. Well, since you're a sole proprietor, you and your business is one entity. So when they come after your business, they're coming after you personally. So now they can come after your personal assets. All right, so when you have an LLC, it's all separated. So let's say you had your car rental, something happened to the car and it was your fault. Maybe, the tire wasn't torqued all the way, the wheel fell off, and they were a rental driver and now they got hurt. Now they're suing you. All right. Now, instead of you getting sued personally and them coming for you and your personal assets, they're coming after your business and whatever your business has in assets. All right, so this just saves you in the end. It's like an insurance. You definitely want an LLC. An LLC is not free. You do have to check with your state and see how much does it cost to get an LLC. In Massachusetts, you need $500 to get a LLC for your business. I don't got one yet, but trust me, guys, once I sell this property, I definitely will be getting an LLC for my business. Now, I will be doing another video for the bank that did approve me for this $9,000 business credit line. So definitely look out for that. It's definitely the best credit card for any beginner that's looking to start up their business or start building up their business credit. But definitely look out for that video, guys. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And make sure you guys smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Later.